Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add contacts on Clickup. So first thing is just simply click on the plus icon over here, and now once you have done that, a pop-up window will show up. Just simply go for from template, and after that, from here guys, you could use the search bar over here and search for template like contact, and from here you will have multiple templates by Clickup. So from here, just simply select what you prefer. And let's say I'm gonna go for this one over here, customer contact form, and click on quick use over here on the top right. And now just simply wait for it to load up and wait for the Clickup to make this template. And once it is done, it will load up. And from here, we will have a template. So you can just simply click on the specific contact, and after that you could just simply change the name over here, and after that you could just simply add a description, which is their number over here, and after that you could just simply close it up. And when you click on this specific person, as you can see, you will have their number over here, and you should have a list of contacts over here. And if you want to add a new one, you can just simply add a task. And there you go. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.